Hello and welcome to a presentation on assessment of knowledge and awareness among the stakeholders of clinical research at the site, a collaborative electronic survey approach to identify the indicators of quality. It was done by Pal et al. And published in Reviews on Recent Clinical Trials. The aim of the study was to assess the tangible gap existing in knowledge and application of New Drugs and Clinical Trial Rules 2019 among the three important stakeholders at the research site, namely the researcher, also known as the investigator, the ethics committee members, and the research staff, also known as the clinical research coordinators. Now, research is a huge ocean of knowledge, and to find gaps is a daunting task. A multiple choice validated questionnaire with Cronbach's alpha reliability score of 0.57 was circulated after the ethics approval. It was based on NDCT rules 2019 and responses were accepted for a month. A score of 60% and above was arbitrarily considered to represent adequate knowledge. An organization having 7 research sites with 1 ethics committee each registered with the CDESCO and the DHR was chosen. There were 201 respondents, half of them from the ethics committee members and the remaining half from the researchers and the research staff. Domains assessed were roles and responsibility, reporting timelines, safety reporting, regulations, documentation, and conflict of interest. Scores did show gaps in knowledge, and to highlight just a few, not all were aware that informed consent can be done only by a qualified doctor. The sponsor cannot access the subject identification details. Review of academic studies can be done only by a DHR registered ethics committee. The final and the follow-up report of the serious adverse event has to be shared with the head of the institution also, and the post-trial access does not follow the trial rules of compensation. There was a significant difference noted among the stakeholders in the domains of reporting timelines, regulations, documentation, and conflict of interest. To conclude, knowledge and awareness on NDCT rules was not found adequate. Focused trainings and evaluations are needed to mitigate the gaps. Increased knowledge index among the stakeholders may raise the research quality bar. Thank you for your patient hearing, and to know more, please read the article published.